In this video, we will walk you through the installation of the Enerlites LVS 101 in new construction. We will start with the MPP24 power pack. Ensure the circuit power is off at the breaker box prior to handling live wires. Begin by securing the power pack to a junction box, which will serve as the central wiring unit. If there is a different power pack installed, you must uninstall it first and replace with Enerlites MPP24. Connect the hot wire from the power source to the black and red wire of the power pack. This brings power to the power pack. Attach the load wire from the power pack to the load wire of the light fixture, providing power to control the lights. Next, connect all the neutral wires together in the junction box, ensuring a solid connection. Repeat the same process for the ground wire. With power brought to the power pack and the light fixture, it's time to add the low voltage switch for full control. Run 4 low-voltage wires from the ceiling to the switch box, and then connect each wire to the appropriate terminal on the switch. Connect the red 24-volt wire to the 24-volt terminal, the black common wire to the common terminal, the blue control wire to the LED terminal, and the gray manual wire to the SW1 terminal on the switch. Test the switch by turning it on and off, then secure it flush against the wall in the electrical box and attach the wall plate. For added convenience and control, consider integrating a ceiling sensor into the low-voltage system. Use either the MPC50L or MDC50L sensor. Run the wires from the central wiring unit to the sensor. Connect the same 4 wires from the power pack and switch to the green terminal attached to the sensor. If you're working with existing line voltage switches and want to install an Enerlites low-voltage switch, the process is similar to new constructions. You'll need to run low-voltage wires and replace the old power pack with our MPP24 model. Enerlites low-voltage switches empower users with effortless control, energy efficiency, and a superior lighting experience. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or lighting professional, our switches provide the reliability and convenience you seek. To learn more and explore how Enerlites can enhance your project, visit Enerlites.com.